In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in WordPress. We're going to walk through the process inside the WordPress editor in a simple and practical way. So if you want to place a clickable button link on one of your pages, this will be easy to follow. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site content, pages, posts, and design settings. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu so you can access the page you want to update. Next, click on Pages. This will open the list of pages currently available on your website. From here, select the page where you want to add your link. If you already know which page needs the button, just find it in the list and open it. After choosing the page, click on Edit. This takes you into the WordPress block editor, where you can add and customize content visually. If you're new to the editor, don't worry. Everything here is organized in blocks, which makes it much easier to build page content without needing code. Now click on Add Blocks. This is where you insert new content elements into the page, such as text, images, buttons, and more. Since we want to create a clickable link in a clear and noticeable way, we're going to use a button block. In the search bar, type button. WordPress will filter the available block options and show the button block. Once you see it, click on button to add it to the page. After the button appears, click on Links. This is the area where you attach a destination to the button. In other words, this is what tells WordPress where visitors should go when they click it. This is especially useful if you want to send people to another page on your site, an external website, a contact form, or a product page. Now enter the URL. Make sure the web address is correct, because even a small typo can cause the link not to work properly. It's a good idea to quickly double check the full URL before moving on, especially if you're linking to an outside site. Once the URL is entered, your button link is in place inside the page editor. At this stage, you can also review how it looks on the page to make sure it fits naturally with the rest of your content. And that's how to add a link in WordPress using a button block. It's a simple method, but it makes your links much more visible and easier for visitors to click.